Trade war fears return as new tariffs threaten global growth. Global financial markets are once again confronting the possibility of a major trade conflict after the United States unveiled plans for a new round of tariffs affecting dozens of economies around the world. The proposal, which would impose import duties ranging from 10% to 12.5% on goods entering the US, has sparked concerns among investors, economists, and business leaders who fear that a fresh wave of protectionism could slow economic growth and reignite inflation pressures. The announcement comes at a particularly sensitive moment for the global economy. Inflation remains above target in many advanced economies, central banks are keeping interest rates elevated, and geopolitical tensions continue to disrupt supply chains. Against this backdrop, markets had opened hoping for a period of greater stability. Instead, tariffs proposal has introduced a new source of uncertainty that could affect everything from manufacturing and consumer prices to international investment flows. The proposed measures target imports from approximately 60 economies, including the major US trading partners such as the European Union, Japan, Canada, the United Kingdom, and China. American officials argue that the tariffs are necessary to address concerns related to forced labor and supply chain. According to policymakers, the objective is to encourage companies to move production towards regions that meet stricter labor and compliance standards. While supporters view the plan as a strategic effort to strengthen domestic industries and improve supply chain resilience, critics warn that tariffs often lead to higher costs for businesses and consumers. Importers typically pass a portion of these additional costs on to consumers, resulting in higher prices for everyday goods. Economists note that this dynamic could complicate efforts by central banks to bring inflation back under control. Financial markets reacted cautiously to to the announcements. Investors initially moved away from riskier assets, causing declines in several major stock indexes. Companies that rely heavily on international supply chains experienced some of the sharpest losses as traders assessed the potential impact of increased import costs. Manufacturing firms, retailers, and transportation companies were among the sectors most closely watched by analysts. The technology sector has emerged as one of the primary areas of concern. Modern electronics depend on highly integrated global supply networks, with components often crossing multiple borders before reaching consumers. New tariffs could increase production costs for smartphones, computers, networking equipment, and other technology products. Some analysts believe that large technology firms may be able to absorb part of the cost increase, but small companies could face more significant challenges. The European Union has expressed concern about the proposal and indicated that it will review its options if the measures move forward. European officials argue that trade disputes can undermine economic cooperation and create unnecessary barriers to growth. Several business organizations across Europe have also warned that retaliatory measures could become a possibility if negotiations fail to produce a compromise. China's response has been closely monitored by financial markets. As one of the world's largest manufacturing centers, China plays a critical role in global trade flows. Analysts note that any significant escalation between Washington and Beijing could have far reaching consequences for supply chains, commodity markets, and investment decisions. Although officials from both countries have emphasized the importance of maintaining dialogue, uncertainty remains high. Commodity markets have also been affected by the news. Prices for industrial metals, including copper and aluminum, experienced increasing volatility as traders evaluated the potential impact on global manufacturing activity. Oil markets remain sensitive to the possibility that slower trade growth could reduce future energy demand. While commodity prices have not experienced dramatic declines, investors are increasingly focused on how trade policies may influence economic activity during the second half of the year. One of the biggest concerns among economists is the possibility of a feedback loop between tariffs and inflation. If import costs rise, businesses may increase prices. Higher prices could then force central banks to maintain restrictive monetary policies for longer periods. Elevated interest rates would increase borrowing costs for households and companies, potentially slowing economic growth. This combination of weaker growth and persistent inflation represents a challenging scenario for policymakers. Consumers could ultimately feel the impact in several ways. Products ranging from electronics and household appliances to clothing and automobiles could become more expensive if tariffs are fully implemented. Some economists estimate that even modest increases in trade barriers can have noticeable effects on consumer spending, particularly when inflation is already reducing purchasing power. Despite these concerns, some industry groups support the initiative. Advocates argue that stronger trade protections can help domestic manufacturers compete against lower-cost foreign producers. They also contend that reducing dependence on overseas supply chains may improve national economic security and reduce vulnerability to geopolitical disruptions. Supporters believe that short-term economic costs could be outweighed by long-term strategic benefits. Investors are now closely watching upcoming negotiations between the United States and its trading partners. Diplomatic discussions could determine whether the proposed tariffs are implemented as planned, modified, or delayed. Market participants generally prefer negotiated solutions because they reduce uncertainty and allow businesses to plan future investments with greater confidence. The broader economic implications remain difficult to predict. Previous trade disputes have shown that markets can adapt over time, but the adjustment process often involves periods of volatility. Companies may seek alternative supplies, relocate production facilities, or redesign supply chains to minimize exposure to tariffs. This transition can be costly and time-consuming, particularly for industries with complex global operations. For central banks, the timing is especially challenging. Policymakers were already balancing concerns about inflation, economic growth, and financial stability. New trade barriers could add another variable to an already complex environment. If tariffs contribute to higher prices, central banks may face increased pressure to keep interest rates elevated even as growth slows.